everyone, this is Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a brand called Amrutam. So recently I have got to know about this brand. It makes amazing herbal products. I have recently got these two Amrutam products, which is charcoal face mask, and this is their Kuntal Care Hair Spa. So these both are the products which has no chemical in it. It has only herbal ingredients in it. So I want to share my experience of using it. So first of all, I'll talk about the face mask. This is the charcoal face mask, and it contains not only charcoal but it has so many herbal ingredients in it, which helps to make your skin glowy and clean your face during summers. You know, we get lots of oil and dirt into our skin, so it really helps in reducing that. Also, it really worked for me. Like I honestly like to use herbal products which doesn't contain any kind of chemicals and parabens. It's free of them, of course. So I'm really loving the face mask, but more than that, I like the hair spa, because I haven't seen any hair spa which doesn't contain any chemical. It has all the goodness of natural ingredients like amla, bhringraj, and all those stuff are there in this. So I will be sharing the review of these two by applying it, and I personally loved it. Like seriously, it made my face so good that I cannot tell you how it looks good when you when you apply it. Once you will you see that glowy face, and who don't like it. I just loved it. The texture is so good. The fragrance is like, you actually say that it has essential oils. So this is how it looks like. I have used it. You can see it's not full. I have used it, and I show you in the video and how to apply it, for how much time you have to apply it. So keep watching the video. So you have seen the video, and you can completely judge by your own that how it actually helps in giving you that glowy face after applying it. You don't even need to like scrub or anything. You just apply the face mask after cleaning your face with a face wash, and that's it. It gives a very instant glow, and it really helps in cleaning the pores. And also the goodness of herbals actually helps in reducing marks and everything on your face. Luckily I don't have it, but if you have that it will help you in reducing that. Also, I want to include that I have never seen a face mask which contains this much of herbal ingredients. Like, wow, I absolutely loved it. I want to recommend it to people, those who want to try something made up of natural ingredients and gives a natural glow, and don't want to go for those chemical products which actually makes your skin very bad, damages your skin so badly. So it's better to find something which is very helpful, like this one. So I absolutely loved it, and it is going to I can use it for so many times. Like you can see the quantity. It's so much of quantity that you can use it. It's 150 grams, so you can use it for so long. And The second thing is, this is a glass jar, so you can use it even after, you know, finishing it. You can use it to decorate, or you can keep anything else also. So this is a very good thing about this brand, about this product. I loved it. And yeah, this is all my review of this. So this is the Kuntal Care Hair Spa. So I talk about this one, like, I tell you what, I have been facing hair fall from last few months, like a crazy hair fall, you know, after the weather has been changed. You know, it was winters, and then suddenly the weather changed a lot. It is because of the weather, I would say, because my diet is good, I take proper care of my hairs. You know, I don't apply anything like chemical or anything like that. I only use a natural shampoo, and I use a herbal shampoo, and I don't apply any kind of chemical. My hair are not chemically treated, so I am doing a proper care of my hairs, my skin. But still I was facing that much of hair fall. I was not you know, like expecting anything, because I don't have anything like thyroid or anything, any that kind of thing. So I was worried about my hairs, why it is happening. So I have, you know, like used it twice. In the second wash, I tell you, I have seen myself that it has reduced my hair fall, like I would say by 60%. Like, I'm so surprised that a product like this can help. But I know why it worked, because it has all the natural ingredients in it. Doesn't contain any chemical. If you go through the ingredients list, you will see it contains Bhringraj, Amla, Neel, Brahmi, and all those good things I will put here. You can see. So it really worked a lot. Bhringraj, I have known that Bhringraj is so good for our hairs. I even use Bhringraj on my hairs, only Bhringraj, but it didn't work that good. But this product is like a whole, you know, portion of good things in one bottle, and it really worked for me. So so I can say, if you are facing any severe kind of, you know, hair fall, you just give it a shot. It might help you. It might help you, and I'm sure it will help you. Like, I have used it 2 times. Like you can see, I really love my hairs after washing it. I show you the video. See the video how to apply it, how much time you have to wash it. You can keep it for like an hour, or even if you want to keep it for overnight, it will help you in that time also. So make sure you watch that. So you can clearly see how my hairs were looking. I haven't done any kind of pressing. That was into the natural condition. Like right now I have done a little bit of hair straightening. You know, after using it for the first time, my hair became so soft and so shiny. I was not expecting that, but in the first wash itself it was so good, and I must say you should try it at least once. and you can see the difference on your own. I want to say that go on my words, don't go on my words, just try it on your own. I've given the link of the products into the description below, so you can see. I've even showed you the texture of this product. It's a little, you know, on the liquid and little gooey and liquidy kind of a product it is, but once you apply it doesn't it doesn't give you any stain on your hands. I've used my hands and doesn't give any kind of stain on my hands. It is little sticky, so be careful when you're applying it. And it's such a good product. Like, I really love this hair spa. It's so good. I'm so thankful to Amrutam brand. It really worked for me. Both the products worked for me. I really loved it, and I can actually recommend it. And I'm going to put the links of the product into the description, so please go and check the description box. And yeah, that's it about this product. I love seeing your comments. When you comment, it means a lot to me. You know, I feel so happy when I see somebody's commenting. They are actually want to know more. I really love it. I love to talk to people this way, so please make sure, so please comment down below. I love it. I appreciate that you give your time and watch my videos and comment. So please watch my videos and comment down below. Thank you so much. Bye.